Raise your hand if you've ever stood in front of the mirror, sucked in your stomach, and thought, why won't this belly fat go away? You're not alone. In fact, belly fat is one of the most common and stubborn types of fat, and not just because of how it looks. The truth is, belly fat can be a serious warning sign of deeper health issues. So today, we're going deeper than just surface-level advice. We'll expose the real science behind belly fat, why it's so persistent, and what actually works to eliminate it safely and sustainably. Belly fat more than just aesthetic. Let's be clear, a little body fat is normal. It's part of how your body stores energy. But when fat starts to accumulate around the abdomen, especially internally, it becomes a problem. There are two types of belly fat. Subcutaneous fat, the squishy layer right under your skin. Visceral fat, the deeper fat around your organs. And that's the dangerous kind. It's this visceral fat that has been linked to high blood pressure, insulin resistance, fatty liver disease, inflammation, increased risk of stroke, Alzheimer's, and some cancers, and you might be surprised to learn. Even people who look thin can have dangerous levels of visceral fat. Why belly fat is so hard to lose. So why does belly fat seem harder to lose than fat in other areas? Hormonal influence. Cortisol, insulin, and estrogen all play major roles in where your body stores fat. Genetics. Some people naturally store more fat around the abdomen. Metabolism slowdown. As you age, especially after 30, your metabolism drops and your body becomes more likely to store fat. Lifestyle habits. Poor sleep, stress, and sedentary routines all signal your body to hold on to belly fat. Ever notice how when you're super stressed, you crave sugar or carbs? That's not weakness, that's cortisol talking. It's pushing your body into fat storage mode and steering it toward the belly. The most common belly fat mistakes: drinking detox teas or eating only salads. Let's clear up some popular but harmful mistakes people make when trying to lose belly fat. Doing endless workouts. Abs are built in the gym, but they're revealed in the kitchen. You can have strong abs under a layer of fat. Over-restricting calories. Starving yourself slows your metabolism and leads to binge eating. Think balance, not punishment. Falling for detox teas and fat burners. Most are scams. Temporary water loss is not fat loss. Plus, they can damage your metabolism long-term. Focusing on the scale only. Body composition matters more. You could lose inches around your waist even if your weight doesn't change much. The science-backed path to belly fat loss. Now for the good stuff: how to actually eliminate belly fat the right way. 1. Focus on whole foods. Eat plenty of whole grains, lean proteins, healthy fats, fruits, and vegetables. Limit processed foods, added sugars, and fried food. 2. Eat more protein. Protein increases satiety, boosts metabolism, and helps maintain muscle as you lose fat. Eggs, beans, fish, Greek yogurt. Belly fat's worst enemy. 3. Move more, but smartly. Combine strength training, 3-4x/week, with cardio. Add HIIT for time-efficient fat burn. 4. Improve your gut health. A balanced gut microbiome reduces inflammation and fat storage. Eat fermented foods like yogurt, kimchi, sauerkraut, and fiber-rich veggies. 5. Prioritize rest and recovery. 7 to 9 hours of high-quality sleep per night. Take breaks, stretch, breathe. Stress less equals way less. Lifestyle changes that make it stick. This isn't about doing everything perfectly, it's about doing a few things consistently. Here's what works over time. Start walking daily. Even 20 to 30 minutes makes a difference. Plan your meals. You don't need to eat clean 100%, but 80% whole foods is a solid target. Hydrate. Often we mistake thirst for hunger. Cut out liquid calories. Soda, sugary coffee drinks. Alcohol, they sneak in extra calories fast. Track progress, not just weight. Measure your waist. Notice your energy. If this video helped, give it a like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss future videos. And drop a comment below. Thanks for watching.